The point is your future is in your hand only. But we are supporting you. Make a note on this. And so you guys are with Naresh Shetty. One step at a time, and stay consistent. What exactly stay? This is important. You done 1 day practice, next day you are skipping, third day you are skipping, fourth day you are skipping. Things will not work it actually. Consistent means what exactly? Continuous practice is really important. First day, second day, third day, fourth day, these are all really helpful for you, right? Stay motivated and let's achieve success. What exactly? Together actually. Conclusion of the story, let me close the discussion. The point will be, if anybody is not clear any topic, we are going to share. Again, we are giving again chance to attend the one more session. The next one will be learning place. One more time. Can I hear from you? Learning place, practice, then POCs and topic wise. The next one will be interview preparation also we are going to help. Not only interview preparation and CRT also. Yeah, I understand your immediate next question. Daniel, all these when it will be going to start actually? Very soon I can update the sessions actually. Already immediately? Yeah, sure sir. Yeah. All right sir, all right. Yeah. One important point. Let me introduce sir. Sir name is Farni sir. Actually, he is from management, and he also one important point. Let me tell you. Nowadays, let me tell you, everybody using mobile. Am I right? Everybody using what exactly? Mobile. If I touch your mobile, don't worry. I will not ask your mobile. Actually, there are mainly 2 applications you are opening per day. First application name is called as a YouTube actual. What is the first one? Daniel, why YouTube? Enter time actual. Right? The second application is called as a ChatGPT. What is the second application? Let me tell you how you are using ChatGPT. How to prepare a lemon water also. Let me tell you. Even if you know small things actually, you are using ChatGPT. Trust me, that is not a good practice actually. What is good practice? First of all, think with your brain. We have to think with our brain actually. And especially once tomorrow you are going for interview. In interview, they will not provide ChatGPT app actually. Then what we need to do? We have to stop using ChatGPT. We have to stop using what such ChatGPT. Then you have to think from your side actually. Then slowly by slowly you can improve your coding skills. Can I get a response from you? Even I will tell you when we can use ChatGPT, when we should not use. But as of now, we have to stop use ChatGPT actually. ChatGPT. Are you clear? Can I get a response from you? Yeah, all right. Sir, thank you so much. Thank you, Sir. This is what an update from management side. This is really great opportunity because so being a student, they management side they are providing really great opportunity. Kindly please utilize. I thought it maybe take some time, but they are telling immediately it is going to start. Great added advantage. Then even I need to announce the timings and batch details and let me get the updates from them. As of now, the updates is this one actually. Are you happy? Yeah, please. Very good. Online thing.
మరి పొన్న దగ్గర ఉంటుందన్నావు కదా అడుగుతానులే.
AI driven అంటే ఏంటంటే సార్ వెరీ గుడ్. AI driven in the sense what exactly we created one software. That software takes interview automatically actually. That's the beauty. Imagine 100 students, maybe 100 members are not available to take mock interview actually, but we created application. That application takes interview. Awesome actually. That it will evaluate. One important point. We done these are all. I hope dictionary comprehension we done actually. Dictionary comprehension representing creating a new dictionary from what exactly, sir? Iterable. So please make a note on this one. Everybody look at my screen. This is the dictionary comprehension. When you apply dictionary comprehension, you are getting result as a dictionary. Chappan sir, you are getting result as a dictionary actually, right? So make a note. A dictionary comprehension representing creating a new dictionary from iterable object. Dictionary comprehension code is a very concise and precise. Make a note. Why red color? So seems to be not printing value. We are multiplying with the same value. A into A. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4, respect. I will not ask other actually. Don't worry. That's it. You understand, I guess. Fine, then this is called as a dictionary comprehension. The good news is, what is the good news, sir? We done dictionary. We done what exactly, sir? Dictionary. Hold on, sir. Can I ask you one small question? Daniel, you can ask actually. Can you please read this code actually? Code chadutar evarana?
For name and names. Name can be printed like.
Okay. No. I wanted to read from here actually. Result equals to.
For name and name.
Nice. You understand the topic. That's it. We done the dictionary. We done what exactly? Dictionary actually. All right. You can go back. Yeah, whoops. Since a long waiting topic actually. Chala రోజుల నుంచి ఎదురు చూస్తున్నా ఈ topic. Very good. That too my favorite topic. You can see dance actual. Dictionary we done. Dictionary we done. Now I can make it. This one is a running topic. Can I take a chair? How much time? Time on sir మనం పోగొని చెప్పొచ్చు క్లాస్. This is important topic sir. There are many things you are going to come today. చాలా విషయాలు అర్థం అవుతాయి మీకు. Those who already know Python, please focus. Python తెలిసిన వాళ్ళైనా సరే, I'm sorry, don't feel overconfident. Just look at the code actual. Content చూడండి. Many things you will learn actual. Yeah. Let's open material. As usual, I hope you know, I will talk with material. If no material, no session. Like that, you know, so please understand. Object-oriented programming. Come on, sir. Can you read the topic name first actually? Object-oriented programming. Also, you can add as one more word. Word name is called as a system. Then the completely it is called as a whoops. What exactly? Whoops. Object-oriented programming system actually. You can also call as a principles. You can also call as a principles. Let me tell you. Let me give the background details. You will get an idea. Let me give the background details. In a olden days, let us ignore processor oriented. I can directly jump into function oriented. In a olden days, to create any software actually, software application, there are two approaches. Chappan sir, there are two ways actually. There are two approaches. Any approach you can use, but every approach is having advantages and limitations actually. Right? There are mainly two approaches. What is the first one? Function oriented. Chappan sir, function oriented approach. The next one, object oriented approach actually. Function oriented approach and what exactly? Object oriented approach. All right, companies are following. I would like to say companies are what exactly sir? Following this one. And after few years actually, object oriented programming language came. This is one of the best approach, right? Even companies are following. Companies are what exactly sir? Following. Let me tell you, this is best approach. I will tell you why it is actually. This is what exactly? Best approach. I will tell you why. The point is how the industry was divided, total IT industry, how it was divided, sir. Go back to the cine industry. Let us just try to leave IT actually. Go back to the cine industry. Cine industry, the whole it was divided into before Bahubali. Chappan sir. Before Bahubali, next one is what exactly? After Bahubali. When I say, hold on. What I'm telling is the truth actually. You have to understand. You have to accept. Before Bahubali, kada? Bahubali. Before, and let me tell you after actually. After. Sir, before Bahubali, the whole industry was quite different. Hero will come, he will fight with the hero. He will fight with villain. The story is predictable, and every day the same story. Hero, heroine, and villain. Hero, heroine, and what exactly, sir? Villains actually. Trains will run away. Sumos will fall down actually. But let me tell you, after Bahubali came, all audience perception changed actually. Imagine once this movie is done, nowadays everybody is accepting Bahubali kind of movies only. If you are showcasing like go back to the olden movie, people are not watching Sarji. People are not watching what exactly watching. Conclusion of the story, after this one, complete trend changed actually. Will you accept or not such? Exactly like a Bahubali. Not only Bahubali, KGF also. What exactly? KGF also. Next one, Kantara. Am I right or not, sir? These are all. We need to talk which are all top called so-called movies. Same thing like that. Total and IT industry, what exactly happened, sir? Before object oriented and after object oriented actual. That's what you need to be understand. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, make a note on this one. After this one, a routine kind of movies actually. It's a kind of some normal stories actually. But sir, this is more effective. More what exactly mean? Effective actually. People are liking more effective kind of movies. Expectations changed actually, Sarji. Yeah. Recently, Miraya. Yeah, Mirai actually. Yeah, good. So people are come again. Now OG na okay. Let me add sir. Now OG anta. Eppudu sir release 20. ఈ రోజు ఓన్లీ. యా వెరీ గుడ్ సర్జీ. అయిపోయిందా, రిలీజ్ అయిందా? ఎలా ఉంది మూవీ? బ్లాక్ బస్టర్. వెరీ గుడ్. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. మేబీ ఐ హోప్ విల్ సీ బిఫోర్ ఓజీ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ విల్ సీ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ప్యాటర్న్. ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ విల్ సీ. ఆల్ రైట్. సో ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ యూ, ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ ఫోకసింగ్ ఆన్ మూవీస్, ప్లీజ్ ఫోకసింగ్ ఆన్ సెషన్ యాక్చువల్లీ. కెన్ ఐ కంటిన్యూ? యా, థ్యాంక్ యూ. జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ కిడింగ్. ప్లీజ్ మూవ్ ఆన్. యా, నౌ Daniel, whole IT industry, whole what exactly sir? IT industry. After OOPS actually, when I say OOPS, object oriented programming approach, object oriented programming actually, the whole industry was divided into, this one is what is the first one sir? Before. The next one is after actually. This one is something like a after, before and after. ACBC, before Christ, and what Sarji? After Christ, like a calendar so can cross verify. Before there are some lot, see, even companies are using functional oriented approach, but there are some limitations. Almost all companies are compromising. That is okay. We need to finish our task. Even if it is a small limitation, we can move on, something like that actually. But after, see, before there are some limitations actually, but all limitations answered actually. All limitations are answered. More and more features you can see actually. More and what exactly sir? More features. Can I get a response from you? Now today topic is a object oriented programming. Can you tell me? So after object oriented programming entered into the industry, the trend is before and after. Before and what Sarji? Before, yeah, people used to implement the application, but they do have a limitation. I will tell you what limitations actually. But after OOPS, all limitations answered actually. All limitations, we got a solution. Let us move on. My explanation is going to start from now. Uppudu start avutundi. Actual cinema is going to start now. Programming languages. Listen carefully. Idi chala baguntadi ee definition. This is I created from my own experience actually. Functional programming language. Cheppandi sir, what is that one? Functional programming language. The next one will be object oriented programming language. Cheppandi sir, object oriented okay. Third one will be Python programming language. This is what you need to understand the difference. Ee difference meeku ardham kavali. Yeah. Just let me ask you one question. Can you please read this word actually? Programming language. This one also, then this one also. You should understand the difference first. If you understand the difference, you will get a clarity. So seems to be functional programming language, that one also programming language. Object oriented programming language, that one also language. And Python programming language. Daniel, please clarify actually. Let me clarify. Are you ready, sir? Yeah, good. When I say functional oriented programming, let me tell you, man, these are all kind of some, I would like to say, think like there are some 50 features would you have. Instead of 50, let me take it 10 rules would you have. Are you creating any software by using functional programming approach? Then you need to follow the 10 rules. What are those rules, You need to create a function. Then you need to call a function. Parameterized function. Return keyword argument, default argument. These are all rules, Sarji. These are all what? One more time. These are all what happened, Python implemented those rules actually. Okay, Python implemented. You can also call as a satisfied those rules actually. Then Python is called as functional programming language. That's what you need to be understand actually. Mali cheptanu chudandi. Important actually. Very simple, Sirji. Can I tell you one small point? This is the Daniel. BSc. Total 12 subjects. Think like that actually. Total how many subjects? 12 subjects actually. Sir, all subjects I have finished actually. All subject I have finished. Now I will get one tag. What is that tag? Graduation. What is that? Same story happen in industry actually. When it comes to Python, what they done, they implemented all functional features. Now here onwards, what you can call actually Python is called as a, I'm sure you understand. Can I get a response from you? Now the next one. What is the next one, sir? In object-oriented programming language having again 20 rules actually. Again, what exactly, sir? Same story happened. What happened actually? All those rules implemented. All those rules, what Sirji? Implemented actually. Can I say, rules here 10? 10 ante functions actually. Think like, ikkada enni sir? 20. Then, though Python already implemented all these rules, here onwards what we can say, Sirji? Python is called as, cheptara, object-oriented programming language. That's what you need to understand, Sirji. Great. You understand, I guess. Can I get a response from you? Very good, you understand. Then it's a right up, I need to move on. Now, conclusion of the story. Do you know Python? Yeah, Daniel. I have one small requirement. You can use any approach. You can use what? Any approach. What is the first approach? Either you can use functional programming language. You can use functional programming language to finish that requirement. Otherwise, what you can use actually? Object-oriented approach. Chappan sir? Object-oriented approach. Object-oriented. Anything you can use, Sirji. Object-oriented approach actually. Object-oriented approach. Okay. Let me drink water. $10:28. What happened? Oh, movie discussion. All right. Which movie? I wanted to know. Sir, you scold me? Okay. Okay, cool. Let's move on. Back to the session. Come on. Listen carefully. Object-oriented programming is a methodology. You can also call it a techniques. By using this, what we can do? We can design. What we can design? Very good. We can design a software. Sir, I hope I already told. What do you mean by object-oriented programming approach? If you are creating a program by using below topics. By using what topics? Below topic. What is the first topic? Class. Next one, object. Next one, method. That is called as object-oriented approach. If you are going to design a software by using below topics actually, that is called as object-oriented programming approach. Object-oriented programming methodology actually. Okay. Next one. Sir, it simplifies the software development maintenance by providing all below features actually. What happened, imagine 100 companies. 100 companies are using functional oriented approach before OOPS actually. After object-oriented programming language, what happened, sir? 90 plus companies, they migrated to the OOPS actually. How many companies, Sachi? 90 companies. Remaining 10 companies, that's okay. They are following their own way actually. But it's huge impact. Make a note actually. 90% companies almost changed actually. Their way of thinking, their way of development actually. Ensure that. I do have more than 8 years of experience in OOPS actually. 8 years I worked in a OOPS. OOPS in the sense, Java is object-oriented approach. Java is what, Sachi? Object. Python also object-oriented approach. I will enter. What is object-oriented approach? There are some rules we can see. Listen. Is Python follows functional approach or object-oriented approach? Both. It follows what? Both actually. So Python supports both functional and what exactly? Object-oriented approach. Have you seen Aparichithudu movie? Same story here also, right? Python behaves like that actually. Make a note on this. Features of what exactly? Object-oriented programming approach. Now let me tell you. Let me talk about the function features. Function topic features. Features actually. First one, how to create a function. You should know. Chappan sir, next one. Call a function. Next one, a function can call another function. Next one, parameterized function. If you guys are talking, sir, all the best for your career. Mere బాధ్యతలు మీ career ki. Next one, return keyword. Next one, a function can return multiple values. A function can return what, Saji? Multiple values. These are all we covered actually, kada? Function can return multiple values or variables. Now, sorry. Then the next one you should know about the constructor. The next one you should know about the methods. Yeah, yes sir. When I say method, instance methods actually. It's okay. Let me highlight methods here. Instance method. Next one, variables. Especially I am talking about the instance variable. I will tell you. These are all terminology. It's okay, Daniel. And more actually, and more. We are going to discuss. These are all. Okay. We have another 5 minutes. But if I start the cinema, it takes a lot of time actually. So these are all you should aware. Class heading. Directly tomorrow, let me start the discussion from what is a class actually. What is a class? All right then. One small suggestion. If anyone is missing